lovely, beautiful people doing today? In this video, I will be showing you how I got this lighting right here. It is a ring light unboxing. I'm so excited, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Here's the ring light. I'm gonna cover this here. You do not need to see my address. And yes, we're gonna unbox it. Yeah. Tripod. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, these videos. On the bed, we have our ring light. That, which I'm assuming is the tripod, and this, which I don't know what that is, but we're about to figure it out. Like Christmas Day right now. You kidding? It's the tripod. It's the tripod. It's the tripod. Ooh. Yo, I am a YouTuber. Okay, I'm here. So what is this? What is this foolishness? All right, let's start putting this stuff up. We've got the legs. Ooh. Hey! Cool. Wait, how does it make it color? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Also, I put a sweater on because I looked at the footage when I first unboxed it, and we don't want any cleavage. Okay? We're gonna be cleavage. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry, headphone users. I'm sorry. So it's a little bit later now, but we're gonna continue. My mom called in the middle of this, and so yeah, the lighting's different. Yeah. We've got the ring light right here, and I have unscrewed this little knob. I've unscrewed this little piece that was right here, which was right here. Ooh, this is not sturdy yet. Hold up. Hello guys, if you're getting any entertainment, any value, anything, or if you just like my face and you want to make me smile, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, back to the video. All right, the light is on. Can you even see this? You can't. Okay, let me bring it down because you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm about to plug it in. Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Okay. We're about to test this out, for real. This is my lighting without the light on. This is just a smidge of natural light coming from my window. Even though my blinds and stuff are closed, my lights in my bedroom are on, and the lamps and stuff are on. And we are about to show you the difference that this makes. Okay, all right. I'm so excited, okay. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Oh my gosh, this is, I am a YouTuber. Do you see that? Oh, yes, lighting. Now this is the highest setting, so I'm gonna dim it slowly. And this is its pretty much low, yeah. So this is like the lowest setting, and bam, the brightest. So yeah, y'all get this light. I love it already. Like, look at this, hold up. So, like, come on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like the video and comment down below that you did. And if you subscribe, let me know that you subscribed and say done, or say, hey, new subby, or something like that. And I will shout you out in the next video, because, you know, I think I want to start doing that. You might be in the next video. I mean, who knows, you know? Who knows? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.